Purposive Communication class. I am Nova Llanas, or you can call me Ma'am Nova. Our first lesson is about the nature and components of communication. Communication is a process that involves the sharing and conveying of messages or information from one person to another within and across channels, context, media, and cultures. Nature of communication. Communication is an active process. Communication occurs between two or more people, the speaker and receivers. Communication can be expressed through words, verbal, or actions. Components of communication process. First, the sender, the source of the message or information. Receiver, it is a person or group of persons for whom the message is intended, aimed, targeted. Channel, it is a medium or the means to transmit the intended message. Encoding, the process of converting the message into words, actions, or other forms that the speaker understands. Decoding, the process of interpreting the encoded message of the sender by the receiver. Interference, it is also referred to as noise. There are the factors that deter or bar effective communication. Feedback, it is a main component of communication process as it permits the sender to analyze the efficacy of the message. Environment, it refers to the field of experience or cultural backgrounds that influence the way communicators encode and decode messages. And here is the illustration of the communication process. The 4 types of communication styles. Types of communication. Communication today has many forms and phases because of the various interactions involving people and different cultures and historical background. There are 4 types of communication. First, the written communication in the form of newspaper reports, emails, letters, memos, and other printed documents. Oral communication, it is through face-to-face interaction. Nonverbal communication, it uses gestures, movements, and body language. Computer-mediated communication, which is seen through online interaction. 7 levels of communication. Intrapersonal communication, it is private and restricted to self. Interpersonal communication, it takes place between 2 individuals in one-on-one conversation. Small group communication, it takes place only when more than 2 people. Public communication, it takes place when someone publicly addresses a large group of people gathered, such as campaigns and speeches. Organizational communication, it can be external or internal. Its purpose is to achieve organizational effectiveness using available resources. Mass communication, the use of print, newspaper, magazine, and broadcast media, radio, and television to reach a wider coverage of receivers. Cross-cultural communication, it results when people from different cultures and tribes communicate based on their learned and acquired values and manners. Purposes of communication. Communication can serve its purpose within a group or an organization by means of setting the following. First, control. Second, social interaction. Third, motivation. Fourth, emotional expression. Fifth, information dissemination. That ends our discussion for today, so please answer this exercise in your Google Classroom. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye!